Alright, this is AW10, 4.6, last section of chapter 4, volume and volume of spheres. Oh man. Surface area and volume of spheres. There we go. So, sphere is a tricky. I find there's just a lot of math going on, and students can very easily mess up, mostly when they're either cubing something or squaring something. Very useful if you're going to take lots of biology, because lots of your cells are kind of in a spherical-like situation. As for the surface area, it's simply 4 times pi. Again, pi is 3.1415. Better to put it in your calculator, it gives you more decimal places, but if you're just going to use the number, that one's sufficient enough. So 4 times pi times your radius squared, or 4 times pi times your radius, because radius squared is r times r. For your volume, it's 4 over 3, so 4 divided by 3, times pi times your radius cubed. So it's going to be radius times radius times radius. If you don't know the radius, but instead you know the diameter, which would be the entire length across, you can divide it by 2 to get your radius. So, in our example here, we have a sphere. It has a radius of 10 meters, and we're first going to start by finding the surface area of this. So, for surface area, it's going to be 4 times pi times 10 squared. 10 squared is the same thing as saying 10 times 10, which should give us 100. 100 times pi is 314. We're going to float that and multiply that by 4, which gives us a surface area of 1,256.64. In this case, it is meters, as it is surface area. Should be meters squared. And just now realizing that all my other surface areas, I forgot to put meters squared. That's frustrating. For volume, it is 4 over 3 times pi times your radius, in our case 10 cubed. 10 cubed is the same thing as going 10 times 10 times 10, which should be 1,000. So 1,000 times pi is 3,141. Now you could go 4 divided by 3 first to get your decimal, as long as you float that and keep enough digits, or in a calculator, you multiply it by and put it in brackets, 4 divided by 3. Either way, you get the same answer, which means we get a volume of 4,188.8 meters cubed. That's it. That's all there is for spheres. You have to find the surface area and the volume of the sphere here. The sphere has a radius of 15 meters. Good luck.